This is a video of Ed's W4ELP Pota software logging program, version 2.1. Just a little demo of how it works. I use it all the time. It works great for me. I don't like coming home using logging my contacts on paper and then coming home and re-logging them on the computer to upload, so I use this one out in a park. I simply just put in their information. It saves it to my log file, which I have called My Parks. Then I simply come home and connect to the internet and upload my log files. Anyway, here's just a demo of how it works. First thing you want to do is make you a little list of your parks that you normally go to, and you just select the park. One I do about every morning is this one. I select it, go down and hit select. It will pop up and want a date. That's very pertinent, so you want to make sure you put in the correct date, which is 2023, 7th month. Today is the 6th. Then you hit OK. It tells you it's ready. This is just a sample. Let's see if I work this one here. WA4FAT. Just an example of the time. Let's say it was 11:05 Sulu, which would be 7:05 a.m. Then what you do is you can also enter in, if it happens to be a park to park, what you would do would be, before you enter in the information, this is park to park, you would enter in like K dash and his park number, then hit OK. Then you would go back over here and hit you have 2 bits of information in, the time and his call sign. The state is not pertinent. You don't have to log that, but you can if you wish to. You can put it in right there. Then you would hit tab, tab again, and there's where it shows up. You have logged 1 contact. It will put it in this log right here, right there. I called it My Parks. There's the log file, my call sign, there's the park number and the date and the .ADI file. Anyway, you just continue on. However many contacts you make, that's how you do it. And what I do is I just minimize it. When I get back home, I connect to the internet. I go up here to my parks. There's the one for today, 762023. And if I double click it, that's my information. It's me here. That's the contact I made. And you get the date and the time and so on. And if it happens to be a park to park, it'll show that on over farther to the right. So I just close out of there, and what I normally do once I upload my file, I will right click this, which is in My Parks. It just makes it easier for me to keep my Parks folder clear, and I'll cut and paste it into another folder I made, which is called Parks Worked. So what I'm going to do now is just delete this one because it is bogus. and it is gone. Then all you got to do is just go back, get on the internet when you're at home, log into your Pota page, and you know the rest of the story. Go to upload your files, and they would be in the My Parks folder, or whatever you wish to name it, and you just simply upload them, and you're all done. Then you can just go back here. Once you exit out of this program, the contacts here will disappear, and you'll start all over whenever you go back out into another park. And you got this setup folder down here, user manual, view your log. You can go to qrz.com, and of course you can clear it and restart. And of course, once you exit out, that logging information is gone. So when you go back out again and you restart it, as you see, you have 0 contacts logged. You start all over, select your park, and we've been through all that. And if you want to add some parks in here that you normally do, you just go add a new park. That way they're in your list, and you just select whichever park you're at. Works great. I've been using it for some time now. And if you have an interest, you can go to qrz.com, look up W4ELP. His email address and all is there. If you wish to get this, he will send you a link to it. It's all free. Works great. And it stops the double logging, i.e. logging on paper, coming home, relogging again, so you can upload your files. Anyway, that's the end of the story. Works great again. W4ELP on qrz.com. 7:30.